Hey designer, today I'm sharing how vibe coding can transform your design process. The idea comes from Andrej Karpathy, a key player at Tesla and OpenAI who invented this method. He said, you don't need to write code, you just talk to the AI. For you as a designer, this means you can guide AI with natural language to create visuals instead of manually designing everything. In this video, you will learn how to apply vibe coding, or in my words, vibe designing, to streamline your design work and boost creativity. Okay, you can see here the first prompt that I write. I start with a prompt not by voice because after testing it, if I start directly with voice, it's not work very well. I start with a prompt and then I iterate with my voice. I ask it to make a testimonial card with a review title, body, then avatar, the name of the person, and the date. This is the code. If I click on preview, now we will see the card. So you can see here, title, subtitle, avatar, name, and also the date. So first of all, I will ask it to add real content to the card. Hey chat, can you add real content to this testimonial card? The product is a SaaS product for a product designer.
I've updated the testimonial card with real content focused on a SaaS product for product design. Let me know if you need any other changes.
Thank you.
You're very welcome.
Okay, it says add information to the card. I click on preview, let's see. As you can see, it added the information to the card with the name. I think the text is very large, but let's test another thing. Let's say that we want to change the color of the avatar to red. Chat, can you change the color of the background avatar to red?
I've changed the avatar background color to red. Let me know if you need anything else.
No, thank you.
All right, anytime.
Okay, let's see if it's changed the avatar color to red. Yes, it is red. I want to take it one step further and not tell it what to do. I want to see if chat can design the card in a better way. I will ask it to redesign the card and improve the visual design. Hey chat, I know you are a very talented designer. Can you improve the card visual design? I'm not like how it's look now. You can choose any style you want, but I want it to be minimalistic. I mean, instead the minimalistic, do what you want. Okay, I don't want to add a lot of visual assets inside.
I gave the card a cleaner, more modern vibe with a softer color palette and better typography. Let me know what you think. Happy to tweak it more if you feel like it.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Let's see what it's give for us. You can see that it's improved the design, the typography, the hierarchy between the typography are better. There is more spacing. I will not say that it's the best design ever, but basically it did very good job. Remember, I didn't tell it nothing how to design. I just tell it design minimalistic in a better way. And I don't know what to tell you. I'm very impressed because basically it means that it's designed better than many designers. I mean, from my opinion, at least. Let's take it one step further, okay? I will tell it now to change the design to very specific style. So I'll ask it to change the design to Neobrutalism. Let's see what it gives to us. Hey chat, I know that you are very good in graphic design, as I said, and I would like to see the card design in Neobrutalism. Can you design it for me?
I've redesigned the card using a Neobrutalism style. Bold borders, sharp shadows, and vibrant contrast. Let me know what you think.
It's describe what is Neobrutalism, but let's see what the results are. Look, I'm very impressed. I mean, it's look good. I mean, okay, maybe it's possible to tweak it, but remember that I just tell it, make it in Neobrutalism, and that's wow. I will take it one step further and I will tell it that I want that it's a card, testimonial card for a graffiti shop, like e-commerce for that sell graffiti tools, and let's see what it will give for us. So now I not tell it what to design, I tell only the client and I will tell it that I need a design specific to that e-commerce. Okay chat, the design is good, but I want to duplicate it to another website. But one thing that is important to me, I want to duplicate this testimonial design to a shop of my friend. He has a shop, e-commerce shop that sells graffiti things, you know, for patterns and that stuff, for art, street art. So I want you to redesign the card in a style that will fit to this shop.
I gave the card a bold, graffiti-inspired style with vibrant colors and a street art vibe, perfect for your friend's shop. Let me know what you think.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
So let's see if it's designed for this specific case, e-commerce that sells graffiti tools. I don't know what to say, but for me the design looks interesting. It is not very common to see this type of cards, but you can see that it has character. So if it's good or not, You know what? Let's talk about it in the comments. Let me know what you think. Write something. How do you think it look? Good, bad? What is your feeling? I will make another test and ask it now to change it to a spa. Something very clean. But I will not say it clean. I would say it only for spa. Let's see. Okay, chat, you did a very good job up until now. So first of all, thank you. Now, my friend liked very much your work and he has a spa, you know, where people relax and make massage and that stuff. So can you make this testimonial card for his website?
I've redesigned the testimonial card with a calming, spa-inspired aesthetic. Soft colors, elegant fonts, and a relaxing vibe. Let me know if it captures what you envisioned.
Thank you very much.
You're very welcome.
First of all, you can see that I set it only to spa and it's understand the shapes, the colors. It's talk about that. So let's see the result. Looks well. I mean, yes, I can see it inside the website of spa or something like that, place that make massage and that stuff. Interesting. One important thing for me, it's like if you have a feedback about my videos and you want that I improve them or you have any idea, let me know in the comments because it's helped me to improve and make better videos for you so you will able to enjoy more from my video. That's it for today. If you're looking for a product designer or need help using AI to grow your business, I would love to chat. My details are in the description below. And if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like and hit subscribe. More useful content is on the way. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next video.